Alright, look at the state of this place. That's better. Right, it's time to crack on. I'm going to get the kettle on first though, so I'll see you in a bit.
Dave at the allotment. Dave, what are you after this afternoon? Still cracking on at the allotment? Get the kettle on. It's Dave at the allotment. See you in a bit.
Well, the first job today is get this net off and get weeding in between the cabbages and the kale, because that needs doing. Also, I'm going to take all the weeds out along this end. Plane going over there, I don't know if you can hear us. It's the Sunderland Air Show today, so I might carry a few good ones coming over. Like I say, in between the blackberries there's a lot of that sticky stuff, cleavers or something you call it, I don't know, sticky stuff to me. So I'll crack on. That bloody Jackie should be doing something like this, shouldn't he?
Hey jackass, you think I'm gonna come and do some bloody weeding today? No way! I'm going to the beach to watch the planes, have a few beers, and all that kind of thing. So, see you later, fools! Now get that camera off my face!
I've got my old jacket on, I've got my gloves and my secateurs. I'm going to take the loose brambles down and all of the stinging nettles from along this edge. So I'll crack on. This could take a while, so I'm not going to bore you with filming the whole lot. So I'm going right up, all the way up the edge. There will be no more weeds in this garden when I am done. See you in a bit. Well, that's them out. I'm going to have a cuppa now because I'm choking. So, I'll see you after this break. Well, it's time to get the kettle on. I'll be back in a minute.
Forget the tea, where's the bourbon? Slice time!
Well, I think the kettle's filled now. I think it's going to rain, so I better get them potatoes out quick, smart. See you in a bit. Right, it's potato reveal time again. It's been 3 weeks since the last time I did a potato reveal, so hopefully there should be a bit more bigger this time. I was talking to Ray, he says you don't get many potatoes off earlies in second earlies anyway, so but the ones I did have been getting are bloody lovely. So I dig this one out. Looks like it's dying off now. That's more like it. Well, these aren't too bad. Charlotte. Got about 10 off the plant there. Most of them are nice size, you know. So, all's not lost. I might as well get the rest of the row out, see what I've got at the end. Well, that's me first earlies. Well, me Charlottes. They were put in ages ago, and that's 4 plants worth there. So I'm not too disappointed really. Got a good crop. I've just went and washed one there. Clean. No scabs. No worm damage. So I'm happy with that. But the only way to get potatoes massive, these like in this weather, is by getting the hose on. Well, there must be a blockage in my pipe somewhere, so I'm going to sort that out. That's it. Now while they're getting the good watering, I'm going to get these garlic and shallots out because I think they've had it now. So it's time for them to go. I've had a couple of these garlic up already and they've got that grey mould on, so I'm not really expecting much off these ones here, because it looks like they've died off anyway. Saying that, that's not too bad. Not bad. This one's dead. Aye, grey mould, look. Grey mould. I'll get this one out here because it looks like the biggest. Well, it's not coming out easy. There you go. Not bad at all. So I'll get the rest of these out and I'll show you when I've done. Well, that's shallot. Not bad. Garlic, not bad. I'll give him a bit of a tidy up and then I'll show you later on. You know what time it is? It's time to put the kettle on. But before I do, I'll leave you with this little puzzler. There's 30 cows in a field 28 frogs. How many didn't? Well, I've come in the greenhouse because I've keep forgetting to tell you about something. My Moringa trees. And I got them seeds from one of my subscribers, Brian Barnstable, I think that's his second name. Sorry if I've got it wrong, but you might have seen him on Chris's Allotment Shed YouTube channel. Quite good. He's got a Facebook group as well. Check that out. But I got some seeds off, like I say, Brian. And I did say I was going to do an update video, so I might as well do it now when it's spitting onto rain. So I started off with the seeds, which you can get anywhere. Buy them, you know, online. Just Moringa. Check it out. And I soaked them. And I did what it says on the packet, like. So you got to soak the seeds in a glass of water for about 38 hours. I did mine for about 42. And if they sink to the bottom, that's a good thing. These aren't them, by the way. These are the chrysanthemums. Yeah, if they sink to the bottom, that's good. And then after that, you get a Tupperware box, fill it with kitchen roll, give it a good soaking, put the seeds in, cover it, put the lid on the top of the Tupperware box, and leave them in somewhere nice and warm. And after, well, it took mine about 7 days before I started seeing any signs of action. But here they are now. Not bad. So they're doing okay. Can you see them? Aye. There you are. There's me beginnings of the Moringa tree. Apparently it's the best thing in the world for you. All the vitamins and minerals you need. So that's cool. Hey, I can hear some kind of funky music there. I wonder if that's Drive Turkey. Anyway, so time for a kettle. Time for a kettle. Time to fill the kettle and have a cuppa. See you in a bit. Howdy y'all. I'm going to sing you a little tune because it's a wee little bit of rain out there. Hopefully it'll blow over so I can show you around and things like that, you know. But for now, I'm going to leave you with a little song. If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. If you get knocked down, you gotta get back up. I ain't the sharpest knife in the drawer, but I know enough. So, if you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. I lick my brain with rot good whiskey till my brain is chicken fried. And I've had dudes with badges frisk me, teach me how to swallow pride. If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. If you get knocked down, you gotta get back up. I ain't sharp as knife in the drawer, but I know enough to know. If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. Thank you very much, y'all. I'll see you in a little bitty while. Well, this is the point where Annie would run up to the camera because it's tour time. But with it raining, she's not daft, she's sitting in the shed. So I'll do it. Welcome to the tour. That's my new little garden feature there. Bargain that. It was from B&M's. It's only a £5. Canny good. I'm improvising with a little umbrella so my camera doesn't get soaked while I'm on the tour. Here's me golden rod. They're starting to come out now. Look nice. I've trimmed back the chives. I'll get a second growth from them. This borage is still looking good and getting plenty of bees on. And look at this. I forgot all about this. It's that hebe. Lovely flowers on there. Aye. The roses are still doing okay. This is just going to be a quick run round because I'm soaked already. Now my onions this year, something's happened. They haven't done as good as what they have done in the past. Most of them haven't grew. Some of them have grew but just not grew very big. So that's strange. You've seen the potatoes. Parsnips are doing canny. Look at the sweet corn now. Now them tassels things, they're the pollinators. Each one of them hairs needs to be touched by one of them pollinators. So I don't know, I might get some corn after all, who knows. Definitely not off them ones there though. Definitely too late for them. There's the beetroot, that's doing okay. My peas, I've been getting a plenty of peas, man, plenty of peas. Oh, you've got to give peas a chance. My runner beans are doing okay. There isn't any runner beans on yet, but there's quite a few flowers. No flowers yet on the Blue Lake climbers. These peas are doing alright now. Plenty of beans, broad beans that is. My main croppers have put on a fantastic growth. Now the only way to get good sized potatoes is giving them a good watering. And I know it sounds daft, but it's raining now. It's still not good enough, you know what I mean? You need to put as much water into the ground as you can at this time of year for them. There's nothing else much round here. My leeks are thickening up now. And my kale, I'm chuffed with that. Had loads of it off and it's still tasty. Curly kale crisps. And cabbages. I'm going to have to remember to net this over before I go because I remember one year I didn't. Came back and the whole lot had been stripped. I lost about 20 cabbages, all like that as well. So always remember to put your net back over. That's the sprouts. They're doing alright. Look at this bloody artichoke. They're starting to turn to flower now, like, which is nice. I've never seen one as big as that before. And look. I have a pumpkin. Yep, yes I do. Oh, I was going to put that down, but I can't. Aye, it's about the size. Well, I will put it down for a second. It's about the size of a tennis ball. But considering it was only that big a couple of weeks ago, it's coming on leaps and bounds. Here's my giant onion. That's bigger than my fist now. So that's grew since the last time you've seen it. This carrot, it's doing okay. I'm getting loads of tear berries off now as well. There's a nice juicy one there. The blackbirds get most of them, like, you've got to be quick. I'll just quickly run round here, show you in the greenhouse. Nothing much has been happening, like. My tomatoes are still there. They haven't even changed or anything. Getting plenty on though. Plenty on. And my grapes are looking canny as well. Nice bunches starting to form on there, which is good. There's that other giant onion I've stuck in just to see what happens. It's thickening up a little bit like, but I don't think I'll get a massive one. I'll show you in the shed the peppers, what's been happening there. They've started growing. Weird shapes like. But I'm getting some peppers on. I don't know what sort they are. It was just it says mixed variety of hot peppers. There's one. They're still getting this leaf curl thing. I don't know what it is, but they're getting quite tall there now. So hopefully there's a few flowers on. I'll get a few chilies, which can't be bad. Here's the garlic cleaned up. That's alright. Do me. Couple of smaller ones, but you know. And there's the shallots. I'll just leave them in here to dry off. Picked a little bit kale for me, kale crisps, and some broad beans and peas. You know. There's me tatties. There's enough for a meal. There's enough for a meal and me and everybody else. Lovely. Or as Sean would say, beautiful. Right, so before I go, I'll just oh wait there, tell you, someone's coming up to see us. Who is this? Where is he? Where have you gone?
I'm just climbing up here.
Alright, there you are.
Hello, Dave. What have you been up to today?
Oh, yeah, alright, Willie, I've been doing some tidying up. Have a look.
So you have. You've done very well there. Everybody, don't forget to subscribe to Dave, because he knows what he's doing. See yous.
Thank you very much, Willie. That's very nice of you. I do know what I'm doing sometimes. So that's it. Cover my camera with my hand. Thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for subscribing and all that kind of thing. It's all appreciated. I hope everybody's having a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now. Yo, you been watching Dave on Dave's Allotment, man. Do that thing, do that dance.